Hello everyone, I am Anna and here's my partner Joy. So welcome to Conservation Conversation. So in here we will talk about the preserving natural resources. So before we proceed, partner, let me give an overview to our listeners what is natural resources. So natural resources has two categories, which is the renewable resources and non-renewable resources. So yung renewable resources, it is an infinite resources kung saan agad-agad siyang nare-replenish. For example is sunlight, water, wind, and such. While yung non-renewable resources naman, it is an finite resources wherein hindi agad-agad siya nare-replenish. And for example, these are the fossil fuels, metals, and minerals. So talking about the natural resources, partner, how crucial natural resources is to us.
So partner, natural resources are very crucial in our lives, especially into our day-to-day living, since halos lahat ng ginagamit natin sa loob ng bahay ay ginagamitan ng natural resources, especially the use of fossil fuels. For instance, the electricity. Ang electricity, ginagamitan siya ng fossil fuels para makapag-generate mismo ng electricity. So, once na yung fossil fuels na yon ay na-burn, makakapag-produce siya ng heat. And yung heat naman, makakapag-create siya ng steam. And yung steam na yon, yun ang gagamitin para makapag-generate mismo ng electricity. In terms of water naman, ginagamitan nila ng fossil fuels dahil yun yung ginagamit nila para gumana or mag-function yung machineries nila para ma-filter yung water. In terms of agriculture or food naman, syempre, yung mga crops kailangan nila ng water para mabuhay. In transportation naman, alam naman natin na yung primary source of energy of transportations is fossil fuels and yun yung nagpo-power sa engine ng different transportations such as cars, trucks, and so on. So partner, since we consume our natural resources due to our needs, what do you think the impact of it and the current state of our natural resources?
So, partner, I think our consumption of resources is very impactful sa ating environment because meron kasi tayong tinatawag na overconsumption. Pag nangyari yon, nagli-lead siya sa mga different environmental problems and issues such as variety of pollution like soil pollution, air pollution, water pollution, and of course, yung nararanasan natin ngayon, climate change, which is here, so nakakaranas tayo ng sobrang init or yung pagtaas ng temperature. And that is because yung overconsumption natin na naipon and then that leads to environmental issue which is yung climate change nga. So, yung overconsumption natin naka-affect siya sa environment and then yung environment naapektuhan niya tayo. And then, when it comes sa current state naman ng ating natural resources, it is not stable because nakakaranas tayo ngayon ng depletion of resources because of overconsumption din. So dahil nakakaranas tayo ng depletion of resources, nagkakaroon tayo ng limited resources which is hindi nasusustain yung needs ng lahat, hindi nakakakuha ng resources ang lahat because of overconsumption. So, sabi ko nga, hindi stable ngayon ang ating natural resources. So, we need to preserve talaga. So, partner, from what I said, will you share some solutions to arising problems and paano natin mapapractice yung preserving natural resources as an individual?
So partner, if solutions and ways lang naman ang pag-uusapan, marami tayong magagawa as an individual and as a citizen. By simply unplugging the cords and turning off the lights kapag di naman ginagamit, ay nakakatulong na tayo sa pag-preserve ng natural resources. In terms of water conservation naman, if alam nyo na may leak yung faucets nyo or may butas na yung mga pipes, agapan nyo na para hindi na yun dumadagdag sa water consumption. And kailangan din kasi natin maging responsible sa paggamit ng tubig dahil hindi lang tayo yung nagbe-benefit o yung gumagamit ng natural resources. Kailangan din natin isipin yung future generation dahil gagamit pa din sila ng mga natural resources. And based sa isang documentary na sinasabi na parang almost 5,000 yata na lugar sa Philippines ang hindi nakaka-receive ng malinis na tubig. So, kailangan talaga natin maging responsible sa paggamit ng water. In terms of transportation naman, if possible, i-practice natin yung carpooling para nare-reduce din yung pollution na binibigay ng isang sasakyan. And at the same time, if possible then, mas gamitan na natin yung mga public transportation na meron tayo sa bansa. So, partner, sa dami ng solutions na pwede natin gawin, sa tingin mo, gaano ka-importante or bakit importante na i-preserve natin yung mga natural resources natin?
So partner, it is very important to preserve our natural resources, and natural resources alone is very important in the lives of many. Kasi dyan tayo kumukuha ng mga needs natin, dyan tayo kumukuha ng ikinabubuhay natin, and it is only not us na nagbe-benefit or beneficiary ng mga natural resources, kundi yung mga susunod pang generation and susunod sa susunod pang generation. So we have to maintain yung natural resources natin, kasi hindi lang naman yan hahayaan mo and tutubo siya. No, kailangan mini-maintain natin yan by not over-consuming mga goods and practicing sustainable practices. So, hindi, sabi ko nga, hindi lang tayo yung nagbe-benefit sa mga natural resources, kundi yung karamihan. So, madaming kinikater yung natural resources natin. So, partner, talking about this topic, so, bago tayo magtapos, can you leave us some kahit na phrases or words lang na makakapag-motivate sa ating mga viewers and listeners to preserve natural resources?
Okay. So, for all the viewers and listeners of this podcast, your simple actions make a big difference in achieving better outcomes.
So, it is very malaman, partner, no? So, lahat ng napag-usapan natin dito, kailangan isa puso at isa isip natin, partner, kasi makakatulong yan sa ating minamahal na planeta. So, thank you for listening, and sana may natutunan kayo sa ating topic ngayon, and I think that would be all, partner.
Yes, partner.
Yes, thank you so much for listening. So, again, this is Conservation
and
Conversation.